I tried BitFi wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I first heard about the BitFi wallet, I was skeptical. It boldly claims to be unhackable, which sounds almost too good to be true. So I tried it for 7 days to see if the hype was real, and the shocking truth is, BitFi's security model is unlike anything I've seen before. On day 1, I set up the wallet, and immediately noticed something strange. There's no private key stored anywhere. Instead, BitFi uses a unique cloud authentication system tied to your personal login and passphrase. Every transaction is generated in real time, meaning there's no key for hackers to steal. That's both fascinating and a little scary. By day 2, I started exploring the device. It's a sleek hardware wallet that connects to Wi-Fi, not OSPI, which is rare. It felt odd at first, but the isolation between device and network actually improves security. By day 4, I tested sending Bitcoin and Ethereum. Transactions required me to log in through a secure dashboard and confirm them on the device. The process was smooth but extremely controlled. Every action required two-step authentication. Midweek, I dug into the tech. BitFi's concept relies on deterministic algorithms, meaning you can recreate your wallet from just your passphrase if the device is lost. No backup seed phrase to store, no chance of someone stealing it from a piece of paper. By day 6, I compared BitFi to traditional wallets like Ledger and Trezor. Most people think offline hardware wallets are the safest, but BitFi proves there is another way: security through dynamic authentication rather than static keys. After 7 days, here's the shocking truth. BitFi actually delivers on its bold promise. It's not a marketing gimmick, it's a redefinition of crypto safety. If you value security above everything else and hate managing private keys, BitFi might be your ideal wallet. It's futuristic, unconventional, and surprisingly easy to use, the kind of innovation the crypto world needs more of.